Well, hello there. It's Bingo. I'm out for another beautiful ride today. We're going to go to Ohiopyle. If you don't know where it is, it's about the Laurel Highlands. It's outside of Uniontown, Pennsylvania. Pretty much right off Route 40. This is historically a pretty busy biker spot from the Washington County area, Greene County, and so forth. A lot of people come down here. They have whitewater rafting, swimming. It's along the Youghiogheny River. They actually have a natural water slide. So a lot of people come down here through the summer, and they got some great places to check out. It's like 6 miles off of 40. There's two different entrances. One of them brings you one way, one brings you another way, but the first one's about 6 miles away. It takes you in there. There's camping down here. There's other events to see. There's just a whole bunch of stuff. And if you Google it, you'd be happy. But if you're a rider and you like to ride, beautiful place to ride. Lots of twisty, curvy hills. Hills make nice roads. The roads aren't in bad shape. Beautiful places to see. Some great places to eat. And that's what we're going to go to. We're going to go check out Bite My Weenie. It's a hot dog place, of course, and I'm not sure if it's going to be open or not. But I'm going to go check in on Facebook and so forth and take a look. And if you haven't been to Ohiopyle, they have like an overlook of the river. They have like a history center, all these kind of things. So if you're looking for someplace great to ride on Project Ride More, you can do this one day. There's your 100 miles. So it's just one more place in the area that you get to ride your bike to, see some beautiful country. There you go. It says 6 miles away from Ohiopyle on the sign. He said it's a beautiful ride through here. Beautiful homes, nice roads. Next windy road, next 4 miles. Yeah, that's what we like to see. We'll get more when we get into it. It's very busy sometimes on the weekends because of the whitewater rafting. They have hiking. They have all that different stuff. So definitely want to plan for the day, especially if you're coming from a good distance away. So I thought I'd share it with you. We'll be back. Alrighty, here we are. This is the bridge that crosses over the, I guess it's a stream or whatever, goes into the Yawk River, because the Yawk River is over to the left. This place is built up a little bit over the years, what it used to be. It's definitely a very busy place on the weekends. You've got whitewater rafting, photography. They do have better improved parking than what they used to have. They have a visitor center down over there. They got rentals for bicycles, trading posts. There's lots of parking over here now. There's some parking down there. They do have speed bumps and so forth to keep things kind of slowed down a bit for people. Got a bunch of pedestrian crossings and so forth. There's more parking down there. It's not really busy today because it's a weekday. They got ice cream places, so if you like ice cream, they got a general store. There's bunches of places to rent bicycles and so forth to get to. You can get right to the river down there. They got all these sandwich shops and bakeries and all kinds of stuff like that right here. Easy to get to. So we're trying to get to my destination, which is right up here. So another place to go to, Roost. They got these little specialty shops, beef jerky experience. Just tons of places to try and go to. Right here it is. You can park right here. Doesn't say there it is. Bite My Weenie famous hot dog shack. So it's right off the main drag here. Just gotta watch for the sign. It says Ohio Bakery, but also it's a hot dog place. They got River Sleeps 8, 3 bedrooms. You can rent a place. And here's the Bite My Weenie place, lunch, smoothies. Like I said, there's tons of different things. So we're gonna have to check it out.